Welcome to my channel. How to reset Linksys extender. 1. Locate the reset button. Find the small reset button on your Linksys extender, usually located on the back or bottom of the device. 2. Ensure the extender is on. Make sure the extender is plugged into a power outlet and the power LED is lit. 3. Use a paperclip. Take a paperclip or a similar pointed object to press the reset button. 4. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the power LED blinks or turns off. 5. Release the button, let go of the reset button and wait for the extender to restart automatically. Six. Reboot complete. Wait until the power LED becomes stable, indicating the reset process is complete. 7. Reconnect to Wi-Fi. Use your device to connect to the default Linksys extender network. SSID should be visible. 8. Access the setup page. Open a browser and go to http://extender.linksys.com to start the setup process. 9. Follow setup instructions. Complete the on-screen steps to reconfigure the extender with your main router. 10. Test the connection. Check if the extender is working properly by connecting a device to the extended network. Thank you for watching.